Good morning, middle school families. Sarah Suki, a middle school principal from Minnewaska. Most of you know me really well by now. I wanted to quickly reach out and talk about conferences. We are doing something new. We're working to increase engagement and partnerships with our parents at the 7th and 8th grade level. And so, if you had a child go through 7th and 8th grade before, conferences will look different than they did previously. So, we are asking you to sign a slip that your child will bring home from their advisor and tell us times that will work for you. We are going to schedule in your conference time with your child's advisor. At that time, they're going to go through some of their newest testing data. They're going to talk about some goals that they have set with both their math and English teachers, as well as some type of an organization or a goal about turning homework in or something like that that we know is important in middle school. There will be times before and after in the schedule that you could meet with specific teachers if you wish. And so we are working on that schedule. But if you have a 20-minute conference within that hour, there will be a time that you could have a conference if you wanted to specifically talk to the math teacher, or specifically talk to a science teacher, or something like that. But our goal is that you will have a conference with your child's advisor and meet with them for 20 minutes throughout the times that we have available, and then also have some opportunity should you wish to meet with anyone else. As always, you can give our teachers a call or an email at any point, any questions that you have. But we're hopeful that we're going to connect with all of you again this year at conferences, especially for this first one this fall. So please be looking for a sheet that is sent home through advisors, and then fill that out. Let us know the times that you're available. Again, we can do it by phone, we can do it by Google Meet, or we could do it in person. So let us know when you're available, and we'd love to connect more. All right, have a great Monday, and we'll see you later.